Hey guys, and welcome back to today's video, and today we're going to be doing fidget training with my friend. She's here today. So, we've got the fidget thing, and let's get started. I'm going to trade you this ice cream. Yay! So I'm gonna trade you this.
I'll trade you this pot too.
Oh my god, accept! And by the way, the fidgets that my friend Trinity are trading me are actually hers. So yeah, we're just making this. It's not real fidget trading. It's just fake. But at the end, we're gonna give them back to each other. So yeah, I'm gonna trade you this Hello Kitty puppet.
Okay, I'll trade you this dinosaur puppet.
I think I need to add. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Okay, so
This is much bigger.
I'll add this cute little kitty squishy in this big puppet. Accept?
Except.
Yes, accept. I like how my favorite part about these animal ones with eyes is you can pop the eyes, and I think that is really cute actually. But I wonder why you can see it on one side and not the other.
I got one more of those. Oh no, there we go. Can't find it.
Okay.
I got a unicorn just like that.
Okay, so
I'll pop it in just like that.
I'm gonna trade you this big stress ball. I can't put it on the ground because it'll get cat hair on it. So
So just hold it.
yeah, and you guys know I have lots of cats. And whenever you get it, just put it on the fidget pile. Okay.
I will give you this dinosaur puppet and this octopus thing.
Okay, I'll accept. There you go. It's so big.
Let's see.
It's okay if you drop it on accident. And I'm gonna trade you
But I'm just putting
this
it on top
weird. It's not even a fidget, but I have it in my fidget bucket. So yeah,
of it. You're gonna put.
it's a
I'll just
kitty
put it on
bracelet.
my bag.
It's a kitty bracelet. So what do you have to offer?
Trade you this shell puppet.
Accept.
Add.
And
Accept. I've got two of these now. Where is it?
this is so satisfying.
I got this kid bracelet.
You can put it on you.
Ooh,
You can put it
I
on you.
am.
This puppet's kind of like the kitty one because it has a texture. See,
I have a lot of those.
this is mine, but we traded it to her already. You knew how it has little fishes on it. This has little shells on it, and it feels really good. Those out there for fidget
I got a lot
collectors,
of
you
those
probably know.
textures ones. I got a lot of those texture ones.
Yeah, I only have one.
I've
So.
only got a butterfly now.
I'm gonna trade you this hamburger or whatever it is. I don't know what it is, but
Well, I'll trade you this snack.
oh my gosh, accept.
Because this snapper is popular. What is that?
It's a ghost squishy. It looks like it's screaming. A kitty squishy. This is my final offer.
Accept.
Mine.
It's squishies. Squishies.
So satisfying.
I wish I bring my one just like that, but
You guys, for real, disclaimer, do not do this at home. Do not throw your fidgets. Accept. Accept.
texture.
Accept.
Okay, accept.
rip the paper in half almost. Okay.
Oh.
Yay.
It's this way.
Okay. Sorry. Why would you make my plus like that?
That was actually my plush at first.
Seriously?
I didn't mean to switch on the other side.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to
Turtle pocket.
accept. Why does it have numbers on it? That's for babies.
Yeah, I know. I don't know.
I'm just joking, but it really
But at
is.
least it's a cool turtle.
Yeah, it is. It's textured.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, it's such a good poppet.
I got a lot of texture ones.
Yeah, you do?
Mm.
Okay, so I'm going to trade you this butterfly poppet.
I'll trade you. Where's my mini poppet?
Sorry about that. And
Mine.
what you heard in the background.
Where's mine? Where'd mine go?
I think you just passed it.
Here's my mini poppet.
Except, sorry about the tag on it. I got this at the dollar store, by the way.
I did not get that at the dollar store.
Where'd you get it?
I told you.
I gave you that plus sign.
Okay, I don't care. I used to have it anyways until I gave it to you and I said
Then why didn't you switch it around again?
because.
Okay. I'm going to trade you the rest of my poppets. There's a rainbow one, this other mini one, and a bracelet.
I got
got
a
it 5-star.
bracelet one just like that. Just it's like purple and yeah. I didn't like it. I didn't bring. This isn't on my poppets. I have like 3 more poppets that I did not bring.
Add.
I'll give you this.
Add.
I'll give you this cupcake.
Oh my gosh, accept. Accept.
And I
Accept.
Exact.
It's missing a layer of pops.
No, it isn't. It's a cupcake.
It's a. But shouldn't it have pops on the bottom too?
No.
Why is there a black piece of fuzz on it?
They just wipe it off. Doesn't matter.
Disgusting.
I don't know how that got on there.
I think it's from my house because it's like fuzz, I think. Like cat hair, I think. For crying out loud.
How do you even get this together?
What?
How do you even get this together?
My friend gave me it. My other friend, Rayleigh.
Really?
Yeah.
From first grade?
Yeah.
I'll trade you.
I don't remember. Was Rayleigh in her first grade class?
Yeah.
I'm so dumb, I don't even remember. I do not have a good memory, do I?
I don't have a good memory either.
I remember at least all 3 of us, you and me and Rayleigh sat together.
Yeah.
You got 3?
No, Riley sat with us.
That's what I said,
I don't know.
Why do you have 3?
That's not the same as this one. These
Oh,
two are the same.
except.
And then I've had this one.
Except. Oh yeah, I'll also add monkey noodles.
Except. I love monkey
I want to
noodles.
sing monkey noodle.
I love monkey
I
noodles.
really like this unicorn thing that you put on it.
I did not put that on it.
Oh.
It came like that.
Oh. That's cute.
Did you have 2 more of these?
I gave them to my brother. I'm gonna trade you this. Oh.
Did you get my text message that I was 4 minutes away?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. You didn't message me back said that you didn't get it.
Well, yeah, I looked at it and I told it. Okay, to my mom. Okay, so this will be the last trade. What do you have to offer for this?
I got a lot more poppets than that, and well,
Okay, I'll trade you the rest of my fidgets. Sorry, I'll trade you the rest of my fidgets.
I'll give you this.
Oh my God, there's an ant in it.
Ew.
Okay, I killed it. Okay.
I'll trade you this jumbo yum.
Oh my God, yes.
Okay.
Oh. Thank you.
Well, I still have a lot more things than that, so you still want to trade?
Okay, sure. But I only have your fidgets.
Yeah, I know. You have two of these thingies? They both are ripped.
Yeah. You can have one.
Well, I don't know which one I want because they both have two rips, and this one is just a big rip.
Well, because it was off a pin. My mom had to get it off. Because
Well, then I will probably pick this one.
the one with the big rip.
Yeah. This because the feet's are off.
Okay, I don't care. Okay, but you still have it in the game. Okay, I'm going to trade you.
Ooh, this. Did you open it?
Never mind, it's not the last trade. We're still going to do some more trades. So I'm going to offer you this and this.
Did you put the Orbeez in here?
No, I got it from Kinley.
Oh.
Remember Kinley?
Yeah. She was in preschool.
You were in my preschool class? Oh, yeah, Miss Amy's.
Yeah. And it was you,
Kinsley.
Kensley, and all I remember was me.
Okay, so what do you have to offer for these two?
This.
What do you have to offer for
This
these
is mini
two?
pocket.
Yeah, bro.
Brown. I have a dimple just like this, but it has like a brain. It's like a dinosaur, and then it has brains on it.
I have another one. Well, I use it for my characters.
Why?
I don't know.
What?
Use it for just because I had 5, but I lost 2. Okay, so this is the final trade. What do you have to offer for?
There's a little round of hope that I gave you.
Yeah, what do you have to offer for it? What do you have to offer for it?
Well, I don't really know. I just showed you all the puppets that I have left.
I just hit my head on this.
I have 3 Amethyst puppets. Where's my pink one? Oh, it's in here. I have 3 Amethyst puppets.
Oh my gosh, accept.
Now I don't know whose is whose.
Pop, dude, come back here.
Most of
Ow. Oh my gosh. This is one of my dream fidgets too.
I have another one of those. See?
Oh yeah. That's cute.
I do like the rainbow one better. I think I kind of like this one better because that one just pops back up.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next